Okay, hi guys. I'm making a video to show you how to do this. Now, as you can see, there is no division sign in here, so you're going to have to add that in, okay? There's no way to have the computer make it for us. So you need to put this little thing over all these problems, okay, when you get the assignment, okay? I'm going to go through a few of these, and I'm going to let you work on your own later. I'll send a document out to you that you can work on. You can print it out or just write your answers down and take a picture of it for me. I may do a quizzes as well. So first thing we need to do is look and you want to use that multiplication chart because we want to see how many times the number in front will go into the number underneath the box. Okay, so first of all, let's start with the 1 there. Will 6 go into 1? No, it's too large. So, I mean, we could put a 0 up here, but we don't typically do that, okay? We usually don't do that. We just move on to the next one. So now we're looking at the 16. Will 6 go into 16? And it does. It goes in twice. 6 times 2 is 12. 6 times 3 is 18, so that's too big. That's supposed to be an 8. Wonderful writing skills here. So we're just going to put that 2 above the 6 here. And then we put the 12, 6 times 2 makes 12, and subtract down below. So then if we take 16 minus 12, we get 4. And then we're going to bring down that 8 and put it right there. So now you can look at your chart again. We need to see if 6 goes into 48. And it does. It goes in 8 times. So 28 would be our answer. And we put that 48 here and we get a 0. Okay, so our answer is 28. We can do the same thing for this 9 over here. All right, does 9 go into 4? No, it's too big. But what about 47? If you look on your chart, you'll see that 5 times gets us 45. 6 times would be 54, which is too big. So now we subtract. We bring that 7 minus 5 is 2. 4 minus 4 is 0. Then I can bring this other 7 down. And then we look at our chart. And we say, oh, 9 times 3 is 27. And so we've got 53. 477 divided by 9 is 53. Okay? If you've got questions, you can email me later. But I want you to work on this worksheet. I'll put it up on Classroom for you.